to scenario 2, a direct report has indicated they are currently not interested in growing to the next level or developing further as they are happy in their current role. What steps would you take? Did any groups talk about this?
We did. I think one of the few things that I took away from the conversation, I think we took away from the conversation, were it's always important to make sure that you're on a level playing field in terms of what career growth looks like. So asking the question up front, like, what does career growth look like for you? Helps ensure that you're both talking the same thing, because there might be aspects that they hope to be investing into that you can immediately flag of like, no, these are things that are contributing positively to your career growth. Two, I think Andrew made a really good comment of like some roles require more hunger for growth than others. So there could be an alignment issue if they're in a high growth or high hunger role, like an SDR role, with zero desire to have that career growth. It's impossible to not be moving as people. If we're not moving, we're dead. So it's a fallacy to think that you can't, or you can stay in the same spot. And then lastly, as GitLab grows, we ought to be increasing the caliber of folks that we bring into roles. So what it took to be, in my role 2 years ago might look different than what it looks like to be in this role 2 years from now. Which means that we ought to be continuously leveling up the existing team as well. And we want to make sure that we are empowering people to be able to do that.
Yeah, those are really great points. I think leveling up and also recognizing that there's a lot of growth within each level as well. So yeah.
Well, I can add something. We also said maybe try to find out why the employee doesn't want to step up in case they want to share, because it might be the case that they generally want, but not now, or that they maybe don't want to step up in a direct line. I'm more looking for, I don't know, going from something operational to more strategic or whatsoever. Yeah. That was part of the conversation we had.
Yeah, that's a great point.